Pain doesn't care who you are. Pain doesn't consider anyone's circumstances. It doesn't care if you're tired. It doesn't matter if you're tired. It doesn't care if you're stressed. It doesn't matter if you're stressed. Pain comes for everyone. Pain comes to everyone. Both wake up sore. Both feel heavy in their bodies. One is sore from effort. One's pain is from effort. The other is sore from doing nothing. The other's pain is from doing nothing. One pain builds you. The other eats you alive. The other destroys you from the inside. Life doesn't slow down because you're weak. Life doesn't adjust to your weakness. Bills don't wait. Bills don't wait. Responsibilities don't care. Responsibilities show no mercy. Discipline gives you armor. Discipline becomes your armor. Comfort leaves you exposed. Choosing ease leaves you exposed. He doesn't train because it feels good. He trains because weakness scares him. Escape feels good for an hour, but it charges interest. Same problem, different preparation. This is the breaking point. Pain exposes who you really are. You don't rise to the level of motivation. You don't rise to the height of your motivation. You fall to the level of your discipline. Pain will return tomorrow. Pain will come again. The question is one, will you be ready? Are you prepared?